Another building block of our educational foundation is the School of Tourism and International Hospitality Management. The School of Tourism and International Hospitality Management aims to produce quality and highly employable professionals and entrepreneurs in the tourism and hospitality industry through excellent industry-based education, dynamic developmental and value-laden campus life experiences, and a cohesive competency-based learning support system infused with the Emilian core values of virtue, excellence, and service. EAC Cavite creates an academic environment that nurtures and transforms students to become the new shapers and movers of the hospitality and tourism industry, not just in the Philippines, but globally. The Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management program is designed to concretize these aims. The Hospitality Management program helps students develop individual competencies in the field of hospitality services and operations, provides various trainings necessary to operate and manage hospitality enterprises, and produces quality graduates that are job-ready for local and international employment. Students from this program are provided with various industry-grade laboratories that allow hands-on experiences in various areas such as the front office, housekeeping, culinary, food and beverage, and bartending. These laboratories are housed in EAC Cavite's Anthers Hotel, a facility that fully simulates the features and ambience of a fully functional hotel. The simulated hotel is furnished with various amenities and equipment that offer reliable assistance for training, including the hotel guest rooms, function rooms, bar, kitchen, front office, and laundry area. Students are also equipped with real-life experiences through classroom dynamics, hotel simulations, practical activities, industry immersions, food expositions, skills competitions, educational tours, event organizing, tour package creation, tourism plan formulation, trainings, seminars, and conferences. EAC Cavite also takes pride in our collaboration with over 400 organizations. Our partnerships span various disciplines, prominently featuring 97 organizations in the tourism and hospitality sector, including hotels, resorts, airlines, airports, travel agencies, cruise and passenger vessels, and restaurant services. These collaborations enhance students' learning experiences, promote professional growth, drive innovation, and contribute to the institutional success. Emilians also make use of health-allied laboratories provided for their general education subjects, such as the biology laboratory, chemistry laboratory, nutrition laboratory, physics laboratory, and zoology laboratory. Our future hospitality practitioners are also guided by seasoned and highly esteemed team of instructors and program heads, equipped with years of hands-on industry experience, some of whom have earned national certifications. Their commitment and transformative way of teaching make academic excellence a culture for Emilians. This is Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite's Hospitality Management Program, where virtue, excellence, and passionate service intertwine.